Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. And in today's episode, I will be sharing with you side hustle ideas to make $500 on a monthly basis. In fact, on a conservative level. This is on a conservative level. Yes, a stream of income is not enough for anyone in this economy. I mean, in our present economy, you need multiple streams of income. And that is why I'm bringing your way these side hustle business ideas that can make you minimum of $500 on a monthly basis. First up is graphic design. Yes, you may be thinking, oh, we have a lot of graphic designers out there. How come do I need to start a graphic design side hustle business? Yes, see, let me tell you this. We can never have enough of graphic designers in the world. We can't have enough designs in the world, and as long as the earth remaineth, according to the holy book, as long as the earth remaineth, there will always be need for graphic designers, because the world is global, the world is digital, and we are already in the gig economy. So this is one of the reasons why you need to look into this side hustle business right now, because it is capable of making you minimum of $500 on a monthly basis. And the tips are: get 10 businesses or 10 religious organizations that can be paying you $50 on a monthly basis for bundle design. What I mean by bundle design is you can tell them, oh, I'll be designing 2 or 3 graphics for you on a weekly basis. And at the end of the month, you have, like, let's say 12 design bundle for $50. I mean, minimum of $50. And you can imagine if you get 10 clients paying you minimum of $50 retainership. That means on a monthly basis for the next 3 months, for the next 6 months or 1 year, you can be making $500 retainership without stress from the 10 businesses or religious organization. This is one of the things that our agencies is doing. I mean, our digital agency. We have a digital agency that does that for some religious organizations and some businesses across Nigeria and the UK and the United States of America. So this is something that is very, very practicable and doable if you would want to invest the time to learn. I mean, to learn the business of designing, Why the number 2 tip on this side hustle business idea is for you to get a very good laptop that can handle graphic design job and learn 1 or 2 designing software like Canva Pro. Canva is a very good tool for you to build a business. I mean, for you to build a graphic design business. And then you can also learn a bit of Photoshop and CorelDRAW. All these tools, you can learn them online on your own at your own pace. Yes, after doing that, I mean, after you've launched the graphic design software, the next thing is build a strong portfolio to showcase your best work. You can do that. You can even do that on the social media, or you create a landing page or a website, a one-page website to display the portfolio of your designs. And after that, network with people. Tell them, share it on your status, I mean your WhatsApp status, that, oh, we can design a bundle design for you on a monthly basis with low budget. And you will see that people will patronize you. Share it on your status, share it on your social media, I mean your Facebook, wherever you are available on the social media. Let them know that this is what you do. And as time goes on, you begin to do paid adverts with just little amount of money. And you can do paid targeted advert. What I mean by paid targeted advert is that you target people from the region where you are expecting clients. If you are expecting clients in the United States of America, do a paid targeted advert for those people in that region. Wherever you want to get client from, you can do paid targeted adverts to get those clients wherever you want to get them from across the world. The next side hustle business idea is video editing. Yes, video editing. With the explosion of video content across all the social media platforms, be it Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even on LinkedIn and YouTube, there is high demand for skilled video editors across board. Irrespective of where you are located, video editors are in high demand, and you see, they don't need to come to your office or to your house. All you need to do is targeted paid advert and you get them. You can even, if you don't have money for a start to do targeted paid advert, you can begin to look at some of these celebrities or content creators or some organizations or some churches online and begin to, chat with them. You can chat them up or email them and say, oh, this is what I do. I can edit your video at so price, and you'll be surprised that you can get client you'll be editing video, both long, medium and short video content for on a monthly basis to hit your $500 monthly target. Are you still with me? Yes. Let's get to the next one. The third on my list is website designing. Website designing. In today's digital age, every business, every organization, be it for profit or non-profit, needs website. I mean, they need website. And if you can create attractive and functional website, you can easily earn more than $500 on a monthly basis. Don't forget, this is a passive income for you. And the freelance platform and local business network is a good place for you to start website designing side hustle business. And one thing about website designing is you don't just design and give the website to them. You also need to maintain it for a period of time, which requires retainership. That means maintaining the website, and you can sign a retainership deal with such business or such organization on a monthly basis. You'll be on their payroll for as long as you want. This is one of the things that my organization does for clients in the UK, in US, and both in Nigeria. And you can also do that. All you need is learn popular website builders like WordPress and Wix. They are very easy to learn. Maybe one of these days I'm going to do a tutorial on how to design website with WordPress. I mean professional website. I think I'll create time to do that tutorial and give it out to you. Yes, that will be a blessing to your business. Another great side hustle business is coaching. What did I say? Coaching. Yes, whether it is life coaching, career coaching, fitness or business coaching, sharing your expertise can be very, very lucrative. You see, I am into consulting. I know what I'm saying. And one of the things about consulting business is that it can take you around the world. I mean across the world. And wherever you get to, once you've built your personal brand, you'll be surprised that there is nowhere your coaching business cannot take you to across the world. I am a living example. Yes, most of the times that I travel to the United States of America, I consult for some people. Yes, and don't forget, I have a registered LLC in the United States of America. So this is something that you can also do as side hustle, and all you need to do is just turn your passion to profit. Turn your passion, your experience, your skill to profit by what? Developing a structured coaching program, something that you have gone through in life, that you have created a solution for, or something that you've developed that has helped you or helped some of your clients, can also be turned to a coaching program. And don't forget that social media is a blessing to humanity. Use social media and word of mouth to attract clients, and you'll be surprised that you hit your target of $500 minimum monthly income. Why the next side hustle business idea that I like to share with you is also one of my favorite, which is forex trading. What? forex trading. You see, trading forex can be a profitable side hustle business if you are ready or willing to put in the time to learn. I mean, the time to learn. This is something I have been into for over 2 decades now, and I can tell you from practical experience that forex trading is profitable if you can invest time to learn, to also discipline yourself, because it is a risky business. In fact, I would say it is highly risky. But if you know what you're doing, you can build fortune from the forex market. I am also planning to have a dedicated YouTube channel for live forex trading analysis, where I'll be showing you how to trade forex profitably. I mean, consistency. This is something that is doable anywhere across the world. And these side hustles that I'm sharing with you are things that you can take from Nigeria to America to Europe to Asia to Britain to wherever across the world. You can sit down and practicalize these side hustles that I'm sharing with you. Like forex trading, all you need is the knowledge, then internet connection, laptop. I don't subscribe to the school of thought that says you should be trading forex with your smartphone. No, you can use your smartphone to monitor your trading, but you need PC, I mean computer, to do good and solid analysis and research before you go into live trading. And the next thing that you may consider trading forex is, you see, you can learn it yourself. You can read books, you can buy courses online. There are a lot of courses on YouTube that will teach you how to trade forex. But I would want you to also watch out for my dedicated YouTube channel to show you how to live trade the forex market very soon. I'm working on that. I am building a team for that, and I will let you know once that is ready. The next is starting an informative and educational YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel focused on informative and educational content is a fantastic way to earn passive income in this economy. I mean, in this digital economy. We are already in gig economy, creative and digital economy, and if you don't tap into the business of YouTube, you are missing out. With topics ranging from tutorials, whatever you know that can add value to others, come to YouTube, set up a YouTube channel. I am also planning to show you how to set up a branded YouTube channel, and you can start from that and build up to be creating online courses and digital products. You never can tell. Yes, and once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel can be monetized and activate ad revenue by YouTube. And once that is done, you'll be paid on a monthly basis by YouTube. There are also side attractions like sponsorship, affiliate marketing that can help you reach your $500 monthly goal. This is something that you can sit down and invest like a month or 2 months to learn how to do the business of YouTubing. I mean, the business of YouTube. The last side hustle business idea that I have to share with you in today's episode is create digital products. Digital what? Digital products. Yes, we are in the digital world, and you see, people are consuming digital products like never before now. Forget the advent of ChatGPT. See, a lot of people don't even know how to use ChatGPT effectively, and you can create a digital product on how to use ChatGPT, learning what we call prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? That is the language that you use to communicate with any AI to get the desired or the required results. Some people don't know about prompt engineering. Yeah, you can design digital products to teach people how to do that. You can create digital products like ebook, online courses, or printables. to generate passive income that will make you minimum of $500 on a monthly basis. The tips behind this idea is identify a topic that you are knowledgeable about. Then use platforms like YouTube, Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon to sell your products. You can even use seller.co, or better still, use your social media platform to sell your digital product, and it will surprise you that people will buy. People will do what? Will buy. Then later you can begin to grow your business to doing paid adverts. I started with that. I told you that you can do targeted paid adverts, and that is something that is applicable to all the side hustles that I share with you today. As we wrap up today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, a quick recap of the side hustle business ideas that I shared with you today are graphic design, number 2, video editing, number 3, website design, 4, coaching business, and the number 5 is forex trading. Why the number 6 that I shared today is you creating an informative and educational YouTube channel. And the last but not the least is create a digital product, and you will be on your way to making minimum of $500 on a monthly basis. So here you have it, 7 side hustle business ideas that can help you to earn extra $500 on a monthly basis without stress. This is something that you can put your energy, you can invest your time and say, oh, I want to do this for the next 6 months, and you will see yourself earning consistently on a monthly basis. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to beg you, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to appreciate you for creating time to watch this content, and I promise to come with more informative and educational content to grow your business and your income. Till I see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. Till I see you in the next episode, make sure you click the like button and share this video with someone. And please drop a comment in the comment section if you got value for your time watching this content. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.